Welcome back viewers. In the course, in this lecture we will work to create this search engine script in PHP for this project. So if someone wants to search for something here for a topic using this search box, so they can find the result here. And what we are gonna do about this is just go and find the search box, which I think we have there, in this place right here, the template and then the header. You can see, this is the form. In the form we have given the result, the action. There is no action basically, so we'll say the action will be results.php. so this will be a page basically, and we need to actually add this to, oh sorry, not to the index, because this is not the, this is basically the main page, index page, which is sign up page. This is the form for login, not for searching. We have another page right here which is home.php basically. So let's open that. Social network, we have the page home.php. And yes, we have added the link as results.php. This is everywhere to this, the first form, and the name of the input field is user underscore query, and the button name is search basically. So what we need to do is just simply rename this page or make a copy of this page as results.php. so I'll just save as results.php. Now here what we need to do is just first of all remove these all things, the form and this all input tell here, and also we'll remove this, and we'll change the name of this function to get results. That's it, very simple. And we'll change this text to your result is here. Just simple. We'll keep it simple. Now we need to create this function inside the functions.php, because we have just change the function here, get results, but we don't have that yet. So let's go to the functions page and copy a function and then create another function there. For example, we need to just copy this whole function, the single one I'm talking about. Just note the single, this has many things. I'll just copy another one. Oh sorry, get cats one is okay. This get cats, I'll just copy whole of this function right here, and after the last bracket I will paste it again. I will change the name of this function. The comment I will change function for getting search results. Now first of all I'll change the name of the function to get results, because this we have already called there on the main page, the page that we have created, results.php. now all the other things are okay. What we need to do here is just, if I said get, so we have added get, right here I can show you the form here. the form method is get, not post. So in the get form method we can target the get variable and all the other values there. So let's first say the if get search is clicked, then get the value of user underscore query. Let's again check here. User query is this, inputs name, and search is the name of the button. Really easy and simple. Now we'll say search underscore ID, this local variable, which will be equal to user underscore query. So in here what we need to do is select all from post where topic ID. Now we'll say where let's go to see what we have there in the database, I mean in the tables. If we have keywords, then that's okay, otherwise we can target any other thing. Let's go to post table and see what we have. We just have title, content, and other things. So we will say we will find any word in this post title, in the post title. That would be better for us. So we will say what is the name of this. This is post title. So we will say where post underscore title, yes, post title, and in here we'll add 2 percentage signs. You can see here the percentage signs, and then inside the percentage we will give that variable, which is basically search underscore ID, but we should make it not search ID, search trump, search underscore trump, and I will add search trump. So what this thing will do, basically this will actually go to that table, that particular table, I mean the post table, and will just target this post underscore title field or column in the table, and will find this keyword there where we have added this percentage signs, the starting and at the end. This is because we want to match the words with the database, and if any of the word matches with the record, so that will bring all the data from that specific row. So basically this is the search term that is coming from the user when they just enter something right here, and that we are just taking that value and just going to the post and find there in the post title only. We can also add any other field here just by saying end post content is equal to the same search term. We can do something like this as well. I mean, we can target two columns or 2 fields, but I think in this case one is enough, only post title, because all the relevant information is in the post title there in the table. Now if this query matches a record or a row, then it will get all the details, same like we have already there, and we will post them all. So really easy and really simple to use. Just we have changed this thing, and this will now bring the results, and we are running while loop to repeat the data if we have more than one post for that specific keyword or for that. So let's check now. Control S to save, and let's just refresh the page and say, for example, I will say HTML. This is just a single word. I search, I see nothing. Your result is here, but there is no result except this pagination. But the pagination has nothing because here we don't need the pagination basically. So we will remove the pagination from here because on this page we don't want pagination. Now again refresh, and there is no result basically. What could be the problem? We need to check the results page, because there we have added get results function. That's fine. And in the functions we have this function right here. We are saying we can also remove these things. We needed this for pagination only, so we can remove it from here. And also these things, just remove it and say 5, limit 5. Simple query. We set get search. Okay, let's say user query, because we just can see this in the fs set get user query. User query we can also target, and search we can also target. Oh, now let's just refresh the page. And say something like HTML. Your result is here. Results.php user query HTML search. So select all from post, where post title to that. Oh, sorry, we have just forgot to add something. So we need to add another word here, another clause here. We need to say like where select all from post, where post underscore title like this search term. So we need to use this keyword basically. Control S to save again. Now refresh. Feature 250 functions, where post like where post underscore title, post title, yes, it's here, post title like search underscore term. Sorry, I did not add the single quotes. Now let's check again. Press, and you can see two HTML posts. What I just forgot to add just the two single quotes. Just that was the problem. Now I added them, so it's working. So what you need to do is just simply select all from post, where post underscore title like. This like is very important in order to create the search script, I mean search engine script for any project or any website. So post underscore title like search term. What is search term? Which is coming directly from this we have saved that in the local variable, which is coming from the user query, which we have given in the form there on the home page. And order by 1. Descending means the recent results, the newest post, and limit is up to 5. So that's great. Now if we go back and refresh the page again, and we see here any word we search, for example make money, you can see here we have a make money keyword in this title. So just click refresh and you see only one post. If you say like PHP, so you see PHP here and PHP here as well. If you say Ajax, you see only one post related to Ajax. But one more thing is that if there is no result, then what you can do, just do something like this. Come here, create a new variable, uh, count underscore result. This is just a local variable, count underscore result, and then use MySQL I number num number row. This is a function which will calculate the number of results there. So, and we are adding this run post as a reference. Now here I will say if count underscore result is equal to 0, or we'll say that is equal to 1, that is equal to 1. Okay, that is equal to 0, sorry. Then we will say echo h3 style will be background. What we need to add here is background black, color white, padding 10px. Okay, so this is the h2 tag, and we say sorry, we do not have results for this keyword, and h3 close, and use the exit function, so it will not be executed if that is 0. So Control S to save. Now come here, you see this, and you see anything like if I search for PHP, you will see result to PHP. If I enter a keyword, for example, we don't have anything, any post on that. For example, I will say SEO, and you can see sorry, we don't have results for this keyword. So this is in case the keyword is not matching with the data we have in the database or in the table. So that's done. You know, this search engine system is now ready for this website, and now we are using that as well. So what we need to do more is just now come back and work on this. First of all, on this edit my account, after that my post, and then my messages. So these three are our next topics to work on in upcoming lectures. Stay tuned.